All right, breaking news just coming in on the back of the suicide which took place 2 kilometers away from the parliament and at the Aam Aadmi Party rally. The latest that we're getting in is that there has been tragically another farmer suicide. A farmer has committed suicide in, again, Rajasthan, and this comes in from Alwar. After a loss of crop and denial of compensation, this is the second death today that has been reported from Rajasthan. The first, albeit, took place in Delhi, but the farmer hailed from Dausa, Gajendra Singh. And now the second suicide case coming in from Alwar. The farmer in this case jumped before a running train to commit suicide. Earlier on at 2 p.m, Gajendra Singh, the farmer who ended his life in the Aam Aadmi Party rally, was also from Rajasthan's Dausa. The fresh suicide has sparked massive unrest in the region, which has seen some of the worst crop losses. The Alwar farmer, identified as Harsu Jatav, was death-ridden after his yield was hit by unseasonal rain and hailstorm. The farmer had also taken loan to get his daughter married off.
ओलावृष्टि के कारण मेरा चाचा ने सुसाइड की है, जो कि वो कल शाम को घर से निकल के 7 बजे से आ गया। 10 बीघा ज़मीन ठेके पे ली थी 13,000 रुपये बीघे के हिसाब से। ओले पड़ने के कारण उसमें 30 मन अनाज पैदा हुआ 10 बीघे में, तो इस कारण वो 2 दिन से हमसे ऐसा ही बोल रहे थे कि टेंशन में था बिल्कुल ही।
Well, no compensation and a debt which he couldn't repay. This is the second suicide coming in from Rajasthan today, one which took place controversially at the Aam Aadmi Party rally today at 2 p.m. The other one now being reported from Alwar, where a farmer committed suicide by coming in front of a moving train. I'm joined right now by the Vice President of the Rajasthan, of the Congress State Unit in Rajasthan. Archana is on the phone line with me. You know, Archana, if for once we don't really get into a political blame game on how the BJP hasn't doled out compensation, the state government of Vasundhara Raje Scindia as well, what is it that you reckon has gone horribly wrong in this time in Rajasthan?
Under such circumstances, we don't believe in political blame game, but it's really unfortunate that in 2-3 decades, the worst crop loss has been observed in Rajasthan. The insensitive attitude of the administration and the government has led to the death of 42, and I think it's 43rd, the one who committed suicide in Alwar. So 43 people have died committing suicide, and just because they were hopeless. And I think the scene that occurred in Delhi today, it is very...
you know, Archana, let's come back to Rajasthan and the farmers, and you know, let's just hope that this doesn't come down to another number, marking the number of suicides that have taken place in Rajasthan. What, as the Congress Vice President of the Rajasthan unit, is your party going to do? Because you clearly will have two options now. Either take out a morcha against the BJP or actually go down and do something for the farmers.
Of course, we have already sent the delegation. Sachin Pilot ordered the Dausa unit head. He went to the place of the farmer who committed suicide in Delhi. And we have also announced the sum of rupees 2 lakh help to the farmer's family from Pradesh Congress Committee Rajasthan.
All right, so that 2 lakh rupees from the Congress Committee Rajasthan goes to Gajendra Singh. What about this particular farmer who's killed himself in Alwar?
We'll have to see what decision the party takes. But for the person who died in Delhi during the Aam Aadmi Party rally, we have announced the amount of rupees 2 lakh for help, because he wanted his daughter. He has 3 children, I suppose, whatever information we have got from his family, a daughter and 2 sons. So his condition was very critical. He was indebted, and he has written in his suicide note that...
Archana, the case is same as this farmer as well. He's committed suicide because, once again, if we are going to get into the cliches of unmarried daughter, he took a loan to marry his daughter. He had 80% crop damage. So, you know, it's the same case, but one took place in a very high-profile suicide in Delhi, and the other one has taken place in Alwar. Why are we differentiating here?
No, we are not differentiating. See, we have to see particular case to case, and in this particular case, which happened in Delhi, he was a resident of Dausa, and you have told us that one more suicide case has been committed in Alwar. We'll come to know about the circumstances, then we'll take decision at the party level. So far as we're discussing about the entire thing, people who committed suicide was because of the insensitivity of the administration and the government. Because in New Delhi, Narendra Modi claims that we are giving a handsome amount for this crop loss, but actually they were offering only rupees 75 to rupees 750 per hectare. This has caused them to commit suicide. They became hopeless. The government was insensitive. They were indebted, and the government in Rajasthan as well as in Delhi, they keep moving from country to country, maintaining their PR. So all these circumstances, in such conditions, it is time for the BJP government to introject.
All right. You know, Archana, that's what we began with. Let's not talk about, you know, the BJP and the Congress, but appreciate it when you say that 2 lakh compensation that you're even mulling giving to this particular farmer. His suicide might not be as high profile, 2 kilometers away from the parliament, but this is yet another number 2 have taken place in Rajasthan today. One, of course, took place at Jantar Mantar, the other one in Alwar. Appreciate, Archana, for you joining us at this point of time.